In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show on Slack that you are in a meeting. This is a useful feature for letting your colleagues know that you're currently occupied and unavailable for immediate communication. With just a few simple steps, you can ensure your status is up to date and accurate. So let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the Slack homepage, which you can find at slack.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to access your account. Now, for many of us, using the single sign-on feature is the easiest and quickest way to log in. Simply click on Sign In with Google, which will use your existing Google account credentials to get you into Slack. If you prefer using another login method, feel free to use that instead, but for simplicity, we're focusing on the Google option here. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Slack dashboard, which serves as the hub of your Slack workspace. Here, you can access all your conversations, channels, and other features. From this dashboard, the next step is locating your profile. Just head over to the top right corner of the screen and you should see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. In this drop-down menu, you'll find the option to update your status. Click on Update Your Status to open a new dialog box. This is where you can set your current status to let your team know what you're up to. In this field, you'll find several preset options designed to suit various common activities. To set your status to indicate that you are in a meeting, simply select the In a Meeting option from the suggestions. It's that easy. This status will let anyone who checks your profile know that you're currently engaged in a meeting and might need some time before responding to messages. Finally, make sure to click on Set a Status to confirm your selection. Once you do this, your status will update across your workspace. It's a small but powerful gesture that improves communication within your team and helps manage expectations around response times. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully updated your Slack status to show that you're in a meeting. This is a handy feature that keeps your team informed and helps maintain a focused work environment. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your day-to-day work life just that little bit smoother. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.